Okay, this is chapter 1.4. We're solving absolute value equations. And one vocabulary word that we need to go over is the idea of an extraneous solution. Basically, an extraneous solution, one that appears to be correct, but it needs to be rejected because it doesn't satisfy the original. So here's what we're going to say. It is an apparent solution that must be rejected. That looks like nejected. Rejected. Because it does not satisfy the original equation. Okay? And just to kind of give you an example, when we get into radicals, you'll see this sort of thing, but for a radical equation, x minus the square root of x plus 2, we're going to get, wait a minute, you square each side of that, give me a second, x equals x plus 2, right? Just to kind of solve this real quick, but if I show you this, this is going to be, if I square both sides, I get something that looks like this. Alright, and now I got a quadratic, minus x minus 2. Don't really worry about following what I'm doing here. Just kind of, I'm trying to, you get x plus 1, x minus 2 equals 0, and this turns into x equals negative 1, and x equals positive 2. According to this train of logic, we get those two answers. However, if I were to plug this one back into the original equation, so if I went negative 1 equals the square root of negative 1 plus 2, just plugged in at negative 1, I still got negative 1 on the left. Negative 1 plus 2 is positive 1, and the square root of 1 is 1. Well, we know that this statement is not true, therefore that is an extraneous solution. And it's one of those things you just got to know how to find them, and you got to know what to look for. And they're not hard to find, but that's what they are. They are solutions that mathematically make sense until you try it out, and it doesn't. Alright? And we'll show you how to find those later.